All right, how you doing, welding? This is Mr. Hartman. I'm going to show you your assignment, what you guys are going to be doing through on your assignment number 2 for the welding class. First, you'll be going to this careers in welding website, and then you'll be coming down through here and doing a little quiz assessment first, and seeing what availability out there, what you like to do in welding. So you're going to click on here and take the little quiz. You're going to go through here, click all these. I'm just making things up. I don't know what it's going to be. But here, yes, I welded before. Ooh, hey, look, I can be an underwater welder. There you go. So all of these things, then you need to download the worksheet that I have attached in the Google Classroom, and then come in and fill in whatever job description that you had found out. And here's the profile. This one's for underwater welder, and it's going to give us information on the explanation of underwater welder, monies, and this is national average. This is not in California. With California, you can probably mark that up by 20 to 25%. So that'd be a pretty good chunk of change on there. Responsibilities, and so I want you to fill out the attached for the assessment for your quiz. It's not a quiz, it's this quiz. And once you get that done, I'm going to have you upload that directly to me in the turn-in section on the Google Classroom. And this is all for points. So we got to go through and finish this up. So any questions about this, you can text me or email me, and I'll see you in our next little Zoom meeting. Thanks, guys. Bye.